If you spend a lot of time on your computer, learning a few useful keyboard shortcuts can save you a huge amount of time every single day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 of the most important shortcuts you should know, and I'll show you exactly what each one does so you can start using them right away. These shortcuts work in many apps, documents, and browsers, and once you get comfortable with them, your workflow will feel much faster and much smoother. If you enjoy simple tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. All right, let's get into it. The first shortcut is Ctrl C, and this means copy. When you highlight text, an image, a file, or even part of a document, pressing Ctrl C saves a copy of that item to your clipboard. You can then paste it somewhere else without having to type or recreate it. This is one of the most basic shortcuts, but it's also one of the most useful. The next shortcut is Ctrl V, and this means paste. After you copy something with Ctrl C, you can place your cursor where you want it and press Ctrl V to insert the copied content. This is how you quickly move text, duplicate information, or transfer items from one place to another. If you copy the wrong thing, don't worry, because the clipboard will simply hold the most recent item you copied. Now let's look at Ctrl X, which means cut. This shortcut removes the selected text or item from its original location and stores it on your clipboard, ready to be pasted somewhere else. It's very useful when you want to move content instead of duplicating it. For example, if you select a sentence and press Ctrl X, that sentence disappears from its current spot, and then you can paste it into a new location with Ctrl V. After that, we have Ctrl Z, which means undo. This is one of the most powerful shortcuts because it can save you when you make a mistake. If you delete something accidentally, type the wrong word, or make a change you didn't mean to make, pressing Ctrl Z will usually reverse your last action. In many programs, you can press it multiple times to step back through several actions one by one. Right after that is Ctrl Y, which means redo. If you undo something and then realize you actually wanted to keep that change, Ctrl Y helps you bring it back. Think of it as the opposite of undo. It's great when you change your mind or want to recover an action you reversed by accident. The final shortcut in this list is Ctrl A, which means select all. This shortcut highlights everything in the current window, document, or text field. It's especially helpful when you want to copy all the text on a page, delete everything in a box, or replace all the content at once. Instead of dragging your mouse across everything manually, you can simply press Ctrl A and select it all instantly. So let's quickly review them one more time. Ctrl C copies, Ctrl V pastes, Ctrl X cuts, Ctrl Z undoes, Ctrl Y redoes, and Ctrl A selects all. These are some of the most useful keyboard shortcuts to remember, and the more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Start practicing them in your everyday tasks, and before long, they'll become second nature. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.